We're going to take you right now to London, our own Linzie Janis, for a few of the stories that are making news around the globe. Lindsay.
Good morning, Deirdre. Goldman Sachs may get an opportunity to try its hand at running a theme park. A group led by the bank holding company is offering $1.2 billion for the firm that operates Universal Studios in Japan. Now, Goldman and other investors will pay a 23% premium on yesterday's closing price for a stake of more than 61% in the theme park company. And $25 billion, that's how much investors pulled out of the world's hedge funds during the month of February. According to hedge fund tracker Eureka Hedge, it was the 7th consecutive month of redemptions, shaving a total of $600 billion off hedge fund assets since their peak last summer. And here in the UK, the CEO of Prudential is stepping down after the insurer posted a loss for the year. It lost $565 million as the value of its investments sank. But operating profit did beat estimates, and Pru's shares have been rising by as much as 8% here in London. Having a look at the wider European markets this morning, they are rising, though they've pared their gains a bit. Insurers and banks are rising, but oil and healthcare stocks are falling. This, of course, is the first opportunity European investors have had to react to the Fed's plan to buy $300 billion of government bonds. And finally, the recession hasn't stopped art buyers and fans of the late Gianni Versace from paying millions for his most prized possessions. At an auction at Sotheby's in London yesterday, the entire contents of Versace's Lake Como villa raised $10 million. That was more than 2.5 times the original estimate. The most expensive items were 2 Napoleonic bookcases, and an anonymous telephone buyer paid over $1.5 million for both of those, nearly 6 times the estimate. Deirdre, back to you.
All right, Lindsay. Thanks so much, Linzie Janis, there for us in London.